the Nasdaq Elliott wave count since the beginning. First we'll open the monthly chart, and on the monthly chart it appears to me that we are going from the beginning in upward direction with an impulsive wave, and we are in wave 3 of 3. We're still in wave 3 of 3. The count is like that: wave 1, wave 2, measure 1, measure 2, subwave 1 of 3, subwave 2 of 3. Then we are still in subwave 3 of measure 3. That was on the monthly chart. On the weekly chart, I'm counting 5 waves of measure wave 3. So it appears to me that we are at the end of wave 3 of measure 3, and that is on the weekly chart. Wave 1, wave 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and we still in subwave 5 of wave 3 of the whole impulsive since 2009. And now we are expecting, after the end of wave 3, we are expecting wave 4 from the same degree, from the same wave degree of wave 2 that happened in 2010. Then another new high, historical high, and that will be the end of measure 3. And now we need to go to the daily chart. On the daily chart, we are now counting the impulsive wave since 2016, that began in 2016, and that wave is wave 5 of 3 from the whole impulsive wave that began in 2009, which is measure 3. Now we are in wave 4 and still counting in wave 4 of the whole impulsive wave since 2016. Wave 1, 2, then wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which ends wave 3. Then we are still counting wave 4. So after wave 4 finish, we are expecting a new high with wave 5, and that will be the end of the impulsive wave since 2016. And then would begin wave 4 of the whole impulsive wave, measure wave 3, which began since 2009. So we need to see the subwaves of wave 4 and the shape and the wave pattern of wave 4. So we need to go to 1 hour frame. On the hour frame, we are facing 3 possibilities, 3 scenarios for wave 4. It could be a running triangle, A, B, and C. That's our first option. And the second scenario, it could be a running triangle, A, B, C, D, E, and it will end wave 4 in the shape of a running triangle, or in worst case scenario, it could be expanded flat. So if these expanded flat, we are expecting a new low near the low of wave A of the expanded flat. So next week we will see what's going to happen and when wave 4 will end. An update for the wave 4 of the Dow Jones. Unfortunately, I was my count for the triangle, my previous count for the triangle was not correct. So my alternative count would be like that. Also, we are facing a symmetrical triangle, could be a symmetrical triangle, and the count for the subwaves of the triangle is like that. Wave A, which ended in at the bottom of 26,600, 23,360, and then wave B. And here is the mistake and the problem in wave C. In my previous count, I counted that wave C ended here, but that was not the case. Wave C, we are still in wave C of the triangle. This is one option we have. Wave C, the subwaves of wave C is like that. Wave A, and then wave A, B, and we are still waiting for wave C of a running triangle, and then wave C, so it will be like that: A, B, and C. Wave B of leg C of the triangle is in the shape of running triangle, and we are waiting now for the confirmation for that count today. We need wave C in upward directions, and that will end wave B. Then we need wave C to end leg C of the triangle, then wave D and E. That's one scenario that we could be facing. The other scenario is it could be combination wave A, B, and C, W. The bottom of 23,360 will be wave W. Then wave X is in the shape of triangle. I will draw it just like that. So wave X would be like that: A, B, C, and D, and E. Then we are in the down direction, and we will make a new law with wave Y of the whole combination. So we need more time to suggest the right scenario, but in my opinion it's more likely to be a triangle, because the whole all of the waves, all of the subwaves are in the shape of corrective waves. Corrective waves A, corrective wave B, and corrective wave C, and also the S&P. The S&P 500 is most likely a triangle. So let's take a look at the S&P. This is the S&P 500 on the hourly chart. Well, it's most likely to be a triangle, symmetrical triangle. Wave A, corrective wave. Wave B, definitely a corrective wave, and then wave C, and we are waiting for the end of wave C of the triangle. Another scenario, we could be facing a flat A, B, and C. We need more time to confirm the right count and the right scenario. So today's session will be very important, and the next week's sessions will be also very important for us. So that was the Nasdaq count, Elliott wave count, and the update for the Dow Jones. And I'll see you next time, and thank you for watching.